Hello guys, maybe a race car episode today really, because I've not got any time tonight because we're doing some errands. Yeah, that's right, got to do some errands. So basically I've managed to buy some 15-inch Subaru wheels off eBay for £30. Can't go wrong, with tyres as well, but they're 195/60s in there. But I've got a Pete mate, everyone's got to have a Pete mate, who's got some part worn 195/50s, 15-inch radius. So I've done a little deal with him. He works in a garage, so it's good. He can fit them all and everything. So basically what we've got to do, we've got to do an hour's or so round trip now. Go get the wheels. May stop by the unit quickly look at them, check them. Then go drop them off at his place so he can then take them to his work in the morning. And then swap the tyres over. So we're going to have some sort of 15-inch with 50 profile tyres. Bit of a compromise, I think, a bit smaller as well on radius. I think it will look a lot better, hopefully. Not the loveliest of looking wheels, but in principle it's going to make it handle a lot better. So let's go do that. And I also bought some lamps as well now, some sight lamps. So we might try and dig them out if we can. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's head off. Well, you can't even see the car. We're back 2 hours later. Yeah, we've got some wheels, but I'll get them in a second. They definitely already feel lighter, obviously, because they're smaller, so they have less alloy, so, which has got to be a good thing. But what we have got is a delivery from Mr. Screwfix. So we'll pop that open before we show you the wheels. There we go. Got these bad boys set up, 20 watts each. I don't know why they go grill on them, because I think in the old days it was just trying to stop it a bit, getting a bit hot. But anyway, I think it's to stop the obviously breaking the glass. So anyway, that's what it's like without them. That's what it's like with them. So no more dark photographs and hiding my welds up. You're going to see everything I do in Ultra HD quality. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? I actually picked up a second set as well. So one at the garage, but then I might actually set both of them up just up here. So I can work some late evenings, hopefully. But anyway, that's better, isn't it? They're good, aren't they? They're good. It makes you feel like you're outside. So anyway, let's go get the wheels in. We're running out of time already. Okay, first comparison, apart from getting myself in shadows now because I've got these spotlights. You can definitely see slightly lower. No air in this at the moment, but won't come up too much higher. So you can definitely see there's a slight difference in rolling radius. You'll notice that more once it's actually on the ground. You can also see definitely it's not as wide. So depending on the offset, this is where we get a bit complicated, is it actually might give us more clearance down near here. It depends on the offset, because it all depends on if this edge is in exactly the same position as that edge, really ain't going to make much difference. But these are 195s 60 profiles. So let's swap the wheels on and see. Let me do one thing though first. Hang on a second. Just as a guide. There you go. And poof to the new wheels. Bam! And the new wheel. Magic, eh? So yeah, as you can see, it's flat, so I've just got it on the jack at the moment, giving it a rough height, but you can see loads more clearance, which is good. So yeah, definitely don't stick out as far. I think that's a good choice. I'm not too sure if I like the style, but maybe if I just paint them silver or black later on, it'd be fine. But yeah, so if I think I'm still going to drop down to 50 profile. I've got them all sorted. I might as well. It makes it look a bit more mini-like. I think going that was just a bit ridiculous, but we've still got the wheels for the moment. We can always change our mind, lads. Don't you worry, for you wide boys out there. But yeah, I might just pop one on the back and we can have a quick look, see what the difference is. Well, that's a rear one on. I think they do stick out a bit less. Front one's got a bit of a flat, so but as I said, it's only at the bottom, and we're getting filled up with air. So I think that'll work. Maybe I've taken too much out now, but I think we can get the arches to work anyway. It's not the end of the world. We can definitely fix those sort of issues. Or we just lower the car a bit more, can't we now? So yeah. Thank you Bunker Sean for pestering me into buying those. Should hopefully make it handle a little bit better and just not a bit OTT. As I said, I'm going to go a little bit low on the profiles, just a fraction more, to make it a little bit more mini-like. So yeah, sorry if you all boys wanted the old wide boy stance. We're going this way for the moment, I think. So if anybody wants a set of 17-inch Subaru alloys, which are pretty good condition apart from the tyres, get in touch. I can do you a good deal on them. So yeah, alright, we've got to get these wheels off now. And over to Pete mates, ready for the morning. So yeah, sorry not much of an update. I think we're all there, so we're all getting good now with our spotlights, better wheels. I'm going to try and ask the missus if I can do a late night welding session tomorrow night. So the next one we can really crack on with a lot of stuff. And yeah, go from there.